Are you looking for a good face wash to use that's going to clean your skin? Probably been using a lot of products, a lot of face wash that doesn't give you what you want, and if you're complaining, if you're searching for the right face wash to use. Today I brought amazing face wash that you can use that is going to deep clean your skin. Now, this is one of the face wash that I brought. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I was putting on the picture. Let me go and open it up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This is acne cleanser. Here it says smooth and delicate texture, fresh, clean face without fight, easy to clean muscle, surface, excess oil and dirt, and make up. Okay, you can also use it to wash off your makeup. Okay, if you looking for a face cleanser that you can use to wipe off your makeup, this is very okay. If you're looking for a face cleanser that can help you clean your skin, this is a very good face cleanser for use. I will put out the picture. One thing I have to say about cleanser is that it is fully mild and it's soft and it's going to clean your skin. You're not going to have irritation. Probably if you have a dry skin or you have oily skin or you have sensitive skin, you're not going to have any irritation of any sort. So if you're looking for a face cleanser to use that you can use to wash off your makeup. Another question that I want to talk about, I don't have it right now, but I just want to talk about it since I'm talking about face cleanser. I just want to talk about it at once. Now, the first cleanser that I have to talk about it has a vitamin C. It has, I will put on the picture. I just want to talk about it because it's a very nice face cleanser. It's a foamy face cleanser, but this is not actually a foamy face cleanser. See what it looks like. See what it looks like. It's in a paste form. Okay, it's actually in a paste. How this one is. Can you see how this one is? It's actually in a paste form. Yeah, this one is actually in a paste form. We have the vitamin C, we have the retinol, we have the milk, we have the rice, and all of that. I'll be putting on the picture. Sorry, I don't have it here, but I just want to talk about it because it's a face wash for you to use if you're looking for a good face wash that will glow your skin. You see how my skin is glowing? You see how my skin is glowing? So if you're looking for a very good face wash that is going to clean your skin, this is the right face wash. This facial I'm putting out, and I've actually done some videos on facial wash that you can use. But I just want to bring out this one because I just discovered it and I tried it out, and it's really amazing. It's really nice. You can see my face. Let me come closer. You guys can see my face. It's not perfect, but I'm able to say that I can actually advise you to make use of this face wash because it's nice. Now, one thing I have to say is a lot of you are always in a haste to make use of products. A lot of you are always in a haste to make use of to make use of products. You don't give it time. But what I have to say is that change your product requires time. You have to give it time for you to see that result. Don't be in a rush. Don't always be in a rush. And another thing is there are things you need to do to prevent certain things appearing on your face, like dark spots. I know if you look close, you can see that there are some dark spots that are fading. You can see this, you can see this, you can see this. There are some dark spots that are already fading. Okay, these things happen. These things are normal. So don't feel bad when your face is not really give or like. I understand the fact that you want your face to be all perfect and all smooth and all of that without any spots, without anything. But I want to tell you that what can appear on your face because of people acne, you get things like that can actually leave spots on your face. But the main thing is what do you do after that, especially ladies and menstrual cycles. You know how these things can be after your menstruation or even when you're ovulating. These things happen. These things come up after. Probably some persons before they menstruate, yeah, there's pimples and all of that appear on their face, and even when ovulation, all these things appear on their face. So don't get bad when you see these things on your face because it's going to happen. It's going to surface. But all you need to do is be careful. Just be careful. Don't just be in a rush to take those things out overnight because these things are natural. You understand? They are natural. So you need to know what to use at a particular time. And please, what you eat also affects your skin. What you eat also affects your skin. Don't be the kind of person that you consume whatever you see because you have the mouth to eat, so I can eat whatever I want to eat. No, be careful, know what you eat, and please do not expose yourself to the sun a lot. As you can see now, this is like harmattan dry season, it's really solid. This is the perfect time for sunburn. This is the perfect time for sunburn. So please, if you know you're using a toner, there's any product that is brightening, any product that tones your skin, brightening your skin and all of that, please be careful. Be very careful, because this is like the perfect period for sunburn, and you don't want to have sunburn. You wouldn't want to have somebody, you wouldn't want to have somebody's specific period, because a lot of persons are coming in and you have to look good. You have to look good. Your face needs to look good. Your skin needs to look good. So please do not expose yourself a lot to this. So do not expose yourself out there. And I'm making a video on the oil you can use. We have the turmeric oil, we have the vitamin C oil, we have a lot of oil that you can use on your skin that is going to glow your skin. I'm telling you, these products I'm talking about, the products I'm talking about are products that is going to glow your skin, whether you are dark, whether you are fair, whether you're caramel, whether you're a lot of people get confused when they talk about skincare products. They feel like it's only fair people that use products, or it's only fair people that take care of their skin. Let me tell you, whatever skin color you have, you can take good care of the color. Okay. Now, this facial wash is for any complexion. Whether you are fair, whether you are dark, whether you're caramel, you can use this face wash, okay? The face wash that I'm putting on here are face wash that you can use. It's not going to strengthen your complexion. It's going to give you that glow that you want, okay? So guys, please, if you feel that, oh, you want to tone your skin, or you want to move from chocolate to fair, or you want to move from caramel to, there are proper ways to do these things. Do not use harsh products to achieve this. I'm telling you guys. And next thing, when you use wrong products, you start seeing green vein everywhere. You start seeing green vein all over your body. You start seeing green vein. But when you use the right product, you are going to know, because all your skin, everything, you're going to have even tone. Your face, your neck, your hand, everywhere, you're going to experience even tone. Like your skin will be skinning. You're going to have even tone. You're not going to have green vein or dark knuckle and all of that. But some persons are actually so fast to achieve a particular tone or whatever. But please, there are any ways to achieve a particular complexion that you want. Probably your caramel or your chocolate, and you want to be lighter. There are ways to do these things. Please, if you have any questions regarding how to tone your skin and you don't know how to do it the right way, please stop using all these harmful products. It's going to ruin your skin and you will regret it. See, it's harmattan period in Nigeria. It's dry season now, and the sun is really hot. Don't use those products and come under the sun. It's going to give you sunburn. Like, this is sunburn period. You're going to get that sunburn. So guys, please, if you have any questions regarding, I talked about a lot of things. They want to achieve something good, but they do it the wrong way. Okay. So if you have any questions regarding good face wash to use, probably you don't want to use this one, or you have other products to use, you can actually ask me, okay, and I will tell you some other products that you can use. And please, you want to achieve a glowing skin. The thing is, some persons feel like, the honest truth is that some persons actually think that when you switch from being dark to fair, that is when your skin is glowing. You can actually be dark and still be glowing. That is just the honest truth. Whatever complexion you have, you can actually glow with that complexion. So what I'm saying, you don't need to be fair for you to start glowing, or you don't need to be albino for you to start glowing. That particular complexion that you have, maintain it. Use products that will help you glow, and you're going to see yourself glowing, okay? But if you want to tone your skin, there are proper ways to do this, and there are right products to use, and there are things to do, and there are things to avoid. You don't need to be so quick to achieve all these things. You have to give them time. So guys, if you found this video interesting, please do also subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do also share. Okay, I love you all. Bye.